In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your purchase. So I'm going to show you how to download using the Google Drive app and also using Safari. So the first one I'm going to show you how is for the Google Drive app. If yours opens up in Safari, please go ahead and skip to the next chapter. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap download your purchase. And then we're going to tap open. You may see it come up like this or like this. So you're going to tap on the three dots. Now, if you went ahead and you double tapped like this, don't worry about it. You don't have to go back or anything. Just tap on those three dots right here. Okay? But if you are here, tap on these three dots here. And then you're going to tap on open in. Okay? So we're going to save this to files. And we're going to make sure we save it to downloads. Now we're going to head over to our files. Tap done here. And you will see that zip file right there. Go ahead and tap on it because we need to unzip it. Once it unzips, tap on the blue folder and you should see 3 folders. So we're going to download the planner first. So tap on the planners folder. Then you're going to tap on whichever one you're going to be using. So I'll just do Sunday start. Okay, then that's going to pop up. Then you're going to tap on the share button. And you're going to open this in the app that you'll be using as a markup app. So either Notability, Zoto, Colonel, whichever one opens, you use that app. So I'm just going to use Notability. And then create new note. Then I'm going to import it. Tap done. So if you go over to the app of your choice that you'll be using, you should see it in that app. And go back to your Files app. Then tap done. Now we're going to do the planner stickers. So it's very simple. You cannot save individual PNGs or these type of folders or any folders inside of that have individual PNGs. You cannot save those inside of the app. Okay, so you have to basically save these on your iPad. So press on the folder, hold down and shift it. You're going to see it move like this, and you're just going to go ahead and add to on my iPad over here. You're going to do the same thing for the individual PNGs on my iPad. So when we come to on my iPad, tap on that. You're going to see the individual PNGs there, and you're going to see the planner stickers there. So now you have them on your iPad. If it opened up in Safari, these are the steps that you are going to take. You're either going to see it like this or like this. So what you're going to do is double tap on all other apps. Then this is going to come up. You're going to tap right here, this middle button. Then this notice is going to pop up. Tap download anyway. Then tap download again. And right here, you're going to see that it downloaded. This is the little progress button for downloads. Tap on it and then tap on all other apps. Tap done on this. And then you're going to see your zip file over here in downloads. If you don't, make sure that you are in downloads. And we're going to tap on the zip file to unzip it. Then you're going to tap on the blue folder to open it up. And you're going to see 3 folders. We're going to do the planners first, so tap on it. And we're going to tap on the one that we're going to be using to digital plan. And then you'll see this come up. And then tap the share button. And then we're going to share it to the app we'll be using. So we're going to use, for this purpose of the part of the video, I'm going to use Zoto. So I'm going to tap on Zoto. Okay, and now you're going to see the planner inside of Zoto. Now we're going to head back over to Files. Go ahead and tap Done. And then we're going to tap that little arrow there. So now we're going to do the planner stickers and individual PNGs. Now you cannot keep those in the app. It will not work. these apps are not capable of holding individual PNGs. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to tap and hold. Don't lift up your pen. Shift, and you'll see the folder. I'm moving it. You're going to add it onto your iPad, and you're going to do the individual PNG widgets. Same thing. I'll show you again. Tap on it, hold it, don't lift up your pen, and shift and drag it to on my iPad. So once you come over to on my iPad, you'll see the individual PNGs, and you'll see the planner stickers. And that is it. That's how you download your items. If you have any questions, please let me know on Etsy.